Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color Donald Duck. We'll start with the face and draw the beak first. If I'm drawing too fast for you, stop the video until you're as far along as I am. Then you can continue with the video again. Drawing the beak is a little more difficult because of the shape. But if you follow me step by step, you're guaranteed to succeed. Once you have finished drawing the beak, the next step is to draw the big eyes. We draw two very large eyes. Now we finish drawing the head shape. First we draw the area above the eyes. Finish drawing the beak between the eyes. Now we draw two strands of hair at the top of the head. And now let's draw the rest of the head. We also draw the two nostrils and the beak. Next we draw a long neck. When you are finished, we will draw the collar of the sweater. We then draw the two shoulders. Finally we draw Donald Duck's headgear. First we draw the wide waistband. Then the rest of the headgear. And the Donald Duck sailor's cap is finished. Now I'll show you very quickly how I colored Donald Duck. I painted the eyes in black and blue. I painted the beak and the sweater in a dark yellow. I colored the collar in dark blue. And finally, I colored the sailor's cap in black and blue. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.